Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the exciting world of cryptocurrency. In today's video, we're talking about something every crypto trader and investor needs to master: how to stay profitable during both bear and bull markets. Whether the market is soaring or sinking, having the right strategies can make all the difference in your crypto journey. Understanding bear and bull markets. Before jumping into strategies, let's quickly break down the difference. Bull market: when the market is going up, and prices are climbing rapidly. Everyone is hyped, and FOMO, fear of missing out, is high. Bear market: when prices are dropping, and the market sentiment turns negative. Fear and uncertainty dominate. Both phases offer opportunities to grow your portfolio if you play your cards right. Strategies for bull markets. Set realistic profit targets. Avoid the temptation to aim for the moon. Take profits gradually as prices rise to secure your gains. Use tools like trailing stop losses to lock in profits while giving your trades room to grow. Diversify your portfolio. While it's tempting to go all in on trending coins, spreading your investments reduces risks. Consider allocating to blue-chip cryptos, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, alongside smaller cap altcoins. Beware of FOMO. Stick to your trading plan and avoid buying into hype at the peak of a rally. Use technical analysis to identify safer entry points. Strategies for bear markets. Dollar cost averaging, DCA. Invest a fixed amount at regular intervals, regardless of the price. This strategy reduces the impact of market volatility and ensures you accumulate assets over time. Short selling. Profit from falling prices by shorting assets. This requires a deeper understanding of technical analysis and market trends, but it's a powerful tool in a bear market. Focus on strong projects. During downturns, weaker projects tend to collapse. Focus on fundamentally strong cryptocurrencies with active development and utility. Stay patient. Bear markets are part of the cycle. Use this time to research, learn, and build your portfolio for the next bull run. Universal tips for all market conditions. Manage risk. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Use stop losses and position sizing to minimize potential losses. Stay updated. Follow reliable news sources and keep an eye on global economic trends that could impact the crypto market. Embrace continuous learning. Markets evolve. Stay informed about new strategies, technologies, and regulations to stay ahead. Emotional discipline. Avoid making impulsive decisions driven by fear or greed. Stick to your plan. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth crypto content. Have questions or strategies you'd like to share? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Ready to take your crypto journey to the next level? Open an account with the most trusted and beginner-friendly crypto exchange using the link in the description and pinned comment. Start trading with confidence today.
Here we go. I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight.